Hello everyone, welcome to One-on-Ones presented by Spires Engineering. Today will be our first installment of basic CAD commands covering polylines and the extend and trim command. The polyline, which looks like this, can also be utilized by typing P-line and allows us to create a continuous line composed of multiple segments. I found it's one of the most helpful tools in CAD, primarily with 2D drafting. One of the neat things about it is you can compose it of segments with lines or also arcs. You can alternate between, so with the command bar by typing A for arc or L for line. The extend command allows us to extend one object to another. So in this case, we're going to extend these polylines to one another. I'm going to take this line right here, click on it because it's the object I want to extend to, click enter, and select the object I want to extend to it, like that. Enter. We'll click enter again to utilize the extend command once more. And we're going to extend to this object and extend to it this line. Click enter. The trim command is essentially the opposite of extend and allows us to trim an object outside of another. So in this case, we're going to take this polygon right here and trim out the lines around it. So I'm going to select this line because I want to trim out these lines. Click enter and select the lines you want to trim out. Same thing over here. Select the line that you want to trim around. Click enter, and then select what you want to trim out. And there you go.